The leap of science and technology during scientific revolution. The scientific revolution was a period of transformative breakthroughs in science and technology that reshaped our understanding of the world. Hi, I am John from BSPT1A. The scientific revolution marked the emergence of modern scientific thinking and new discoveries that challenge our old ideas about the nature and universe. This began towards at the end of Renaissance period in Europe and influenced the Enlightenment movement or the Age of Enlightenment. The Age of Enlightenment was simply centered on the idea of reason. Here are the 3 points that hit me the most about the Age of Enlightenment. First is its intellectual renaissance. The Age of Enlightenment marked a shift towards reason, science, individualism, challenging traditional authority. Second, philosophical movements. Prominent thinkers advocated for human rights, liberty, and social progress. Third is the impact on science. The Enlightenment fostered an environment that stimulated further scientific advancement and critical inquiry. There are a few of notable contributors during the Age of Enlightenment or the leap of science and technology during the scientific revolution. We have here first is Nicholas Copernicus, who founded the heliocentric model. Copernicus proposed that the sun, not the earth, was the center of the universe, revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. Second is his book De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium. Copernicus laid out his heliocentric theory challenging geocentrism. Next is William Gilbert. He, he is popularly known about his magnetic research. Gilbert's investigation into magnetism led to the understanding of Earth's magnetic field and invention of the compass. His experimental approach, which he emphasized the importance of experimental research, laying the foundation for modern scientific methods. One of the greatest scientific contributions that William Gilbert has given us future scientists is on the magnet and magnet bodies and the great magnet on the earth. These are his two books in 1600s which consolidated knowledge about magnetism and laid out groundwork for future discoveries. Next is Tycho Brahe. He is well known for his accurate observations. Brahe's detailed observation on celestial bodies provided essential data for later astronomers. He discovered Tycho's star, which he proposed geoheliocentric theory. The crater Tycho was also named after Tycho Brahe. Next is Johannes Kepler, published two of his three laws of planetary motion in 1609, which is the optical part of astronomy and new astronomy. His third law is presented as the harmonies of the world. Next is Sir Francis Bacon. He is popularly known for his Novum Organum, which he published in 1620, which outlined a new system of logic based on the process of reduction, which he offered as an improvement over Aristotle's philosophical process of syllogism. Next is Galileo Galilei. He is well known for his revolutionary telescope. Galileo's use of telescope allowed him to make groundbreaking astronomical discoveries such as the moons of Jupiter. Next is the laws of motion. Galileo's experiment and observation established the principles of inertia and influenced Isaac Newton's law of motion. Next is Rene Descartes. He is well known for his discourse on the method in 1637, which helped to establish different scientific methods. Next is Anton van Leeuwenhoek, the father of microbiology. Leeuwenhoek's groundbreaking work with microscopes allowed him to observe and document microscopic organisms. The father of microbiology's passion for discovery inspired future generations of scientists to explore and appreciate the wonders of the unseen. Isaac Newton. Laws of motion and gravitation. Newton's law of motion and his theory of universal gravitation laid the foundation for classical physics that we use now in our classes. Alexander Quire, who introduced the term scientific revolution, centering his analysis on Galilei, and the term was popularized by the butterfly field and the origin of modern science. Next is John Locke, founder of empirism. Empirism is a philosophical approach that emphasizes knowledge gained through sensory experience and observation. Next, that he argued that human mind is a blank tablet. According to John Locke's theory of tabula rasa, the human mind starts as a blank slate at birth and shaped by experience, perceptions, and sensations throughout life. Next is Robert Boyle, pioneering experimental scientist. Boyle's experiment with gas pressure and his formulation of Boyle's law contributed to the development of modern chemistry. Boyle's law states that a constant temperature, the volume of a gas, is inversely proportional to its pressure, which has important applications in fields like engineering and thermodynamics. Hans Lippershey, Zacharias Hansen, and Jacob Boetius, the inventors of telescope, are credited with independently inventing the telescope in 17th century. Their invention revolutionized astronomy and allowed humans to observe celestial objects in greater detail. Today, telescopes continue to play a crucial role in our understanding of the universe. Evangelista Torricelli, inventor of the barometer. Evangelista Torricelli invented the barometer, an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. His invention enabled the development of weather forecasting and our understanding of atmospheric conditions. Today, barometers are widely used in meteorology and are essential tool for studying weather patterns. Once again, I am John Conrad Brania from BSPT 1A.